Tired of eating red tomato pasta? Try out our Spaghetti Brulee. Level up your Filipino spaghetti by adding a creamy white sauce that's been cooked separately. With its silky smooth and aromatic sauce, it's a guaranteed way to delight your taste buds. Also, we included the costing so you'll have an idea how you can make a business out of this recipe. You'll see on the screen the ingredients needed for this recipe. You'll also see on the screen the prices of each one. Then here, you'll know how much will be the actual cost of each ingredients since hindi naman lahat magagamit natin. And then guys, makikita nyo rin sa screen kung magkano ang kailangan natin na puhunan. At pwede tayong kumita up to 1,130 per batch. First step, just melt the butter in a small, heavy saucepan over low heat. Then whisk the flour into the melted butter. Then we'll cook it over low heat only, stirring for a full 2 minutes to minimize the taste of the flour. And then let's turn up the heat slightly. Then slowly add the milk, but stirring constantly. Then bring it to a low simmer and continue cooking slowly until the white sauce is smooth and thickened, about 10 minutes. Then we'll add the cheese and whisk until the cheese gets melted. And guys, if the consistency turns thick and creamy, just turn off the heat and set aside the sauce. So guys, for the spaghetti sauce, you can use your own procedure or you can follow my recipe. We'll just place the beef in a saucepan and let it cook until the water evaporates. And when the beef starts to sizzle, just add onion and cook until caramelized. Then we'll add garlic and saute for 1 minute or until it turns lightly brown. Then we'll add the carrots and cook it for 2 minutes. can also put the bell pepper and cook it until soft. Then we can now add our tomato sauce and just continue stirring. Just add water and adjust the taste with salt and pepper. By the way guys, I also add sugar because I want my spaghetti Filipino style. Then let it simmer and cook for 30 minutes, low heat. Then, finally, after 30 minutes, just combine the cooked pasta and the sauce properly. And now, we are ready to assemble our spaghetti brulee. Just make sure to reheat the white sauce and whisk it again to avoid lumps. Then, we can now put our spaghetti in container and flatten it using fork or spoon. Then place our creamy, cheesy white sauce on top. Then wiggle it so that the sauce will cover the top surface properly. So now, we can place it in a preheated oven and bake it for 20 minutes in 200° Fahrenheit. Or if you don't have an oven, you can use turbo broiler and broil it for 20 minutes for 200° Fahrenheit. We ate ours right away, and the rest was sold on the same day. Really delicious! Thanks for watching! And don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe button for more delicious negosyo recipes.